Hello and welcome to another video on biology by perfect scores. This is Preetinder Kaur and we're currently doing the topic of genetics, and under that this video is going to cover the concept of the Human Genome Project. So before we go into the details of the Human Genome Project, you need to know what is the genome. So genome basically has all the genetic information on a particular individual, and in this case we are talking about the species of humans, which is Homo sapiens. So this Human Genome Project was actually an international cooperative venture that was established in order to sequence or to determine the 3 billion base pairs that are present in the human genome, and these 3 billion base pairs actually give rise to approximately 25,000 genes. So the project was aimed at mapping out these genes and finding out where in the DNA these genes are located, and they are made up of which base pairs. So there were basically 4 outcomes that you need to know, and that is all. You don't need to go into the details at the 12th grade level or the 11th grade level. So for the first accomplishment of the Human Genome Project was mapping. That means we were able to map the genes, so we know the number of genes, the location of genes, and the basic sequence of all the genes. So that's a really big accomplishment. The second important effect was screening. Screening means that we can now screen sufferers and carriers of genetic diseases. So it's easy to screen people for genetic disorders. Third important effect was in medicine, because with the discovery of new proteins and their functions, we can develop improved treatments. And there's a specific branch that combines pharmacy and genetics together, which is known as pharmacogenetics. So that uses genetics to create new medicines. And the fourth positive effect of the Human Genome Project was Ancestry. So it will give us a lot of insight into the origins, into the evolution, and the historical migratory patterns of humans. So how humans migrated and from where to where, based on the genes that they left behind after breeding with the local races and the local people, we can easily find out how the migratory patterns of ancient humans occurred. So that is all that you need to know about the Human Genome Project. So I hope this was a helpful video, and thank you so much for watching this.